I spent years as a freelance graphic designer doing admin jobs I absolutely hated. I cannot think of anything more boring than inputting receipts into a spreadsheet. But last year, I discovered I could actually get AI to do it for me. Let me show you how to do it. First, decide what you need in your spreadsheet. I created something with the same columns as my accounts, but for this demo, we're going to keep it really simple. So first, we'll get Gemini to help us write a good prompt. I'm going to tell it, you are an expert at organising receipts. I want to upload my receipts and have you turn them into a spreadsheet. Each receipt should become one row with the columns date, company, and total. Only use the final total from the receipt, not the individual items. The output should be as a data table so I can export it to sheets. Do not include pound signs in the data. Please write the prompt I should use for this. Gemini then writes a prompt for me. So let's test it just to make sure it does what I want. I'm going to copy the prompt and then put it in the chat box. I'll upload a few receipts. You can see how it makes a table that we can then press the Export to Sheets button. After a few seconds, a button appears to open Sheets. Now you might want to tidy up the data a bit just by aligning the columns, but all the information should be in there. If you're on a free plan, I think it will let you upload 10 files at a time, but I'm not sure how many of them in total. But if you're on a paid plan, you'll get much more than that. Maybe it'll be useful if we had a category column. So I'm going to say to Gemini, maybe we can add a category column. It shows me the updated table with a categories column, which you can of course change these to be whatever you wanted. I'm going to export it to Sheets again. Then click Open Sheets, and you can see the category column has been added. Always remember to give the numbers a quick check because AI does make mistakes occasionally. So just give it a quick once over. Now to save time, so we don't keep having to paste the prompt in every single time, what we can do is create a Gemini Gem. Now this is just like a folder that remembers your instructions. If we go back into our chat, you can see that when Gemini created the updated table, it also gave me a revised prompt. I'm going to copy that prompt, then open up the Gemini sidebar by clicking on the three little lines. Scroll down to Gems and click it. Then click New Gem. Give the gem a name. I'm going to call it Receipts Output. Paste the prompt into the instructions section, then click Save. You can start using it straight away by clicking Start Chat or find it later in the sidebar. Let's test it. I'll drop in a few receipts. We don't need to do anything else. Already contains our instructions. So now, whenever you have more receipts, you can just come back to this Gemini Gem, drop in your receipts, and it will know exactly what you want. This has saved me so much time. I really wish I'd had it when I was having loads of receipts years ago when I was freelancing. It would have saved me so much time. Anyway, I hope this has helped you. And if you found it useful, I have a newsletter that you can find in the description below. And I will see you in the next one.